all you guys need to do is look at, the first thing I would say you do is look at and see which trigonometric function, sum and difference formula does this represent? What does it most resemble? You have cosine, sine, or tangent?
Cosine.
Yes, sir. It represents cosine. If you guys can see the formula for cosine, it's cosine, cosine, either plus or minus, depending on, and then sine, sine u, sine v. So I know this is cosine. And we have two angles, u and v. Since we're subtracting inside the formula based on the cosine formula, when you're subtracting in the formula, what are you doing with the two angles? When you subtract, what are you doing with the two angles? Adding, right? It's the opposite for cosine. No, I have paper towel under there.
So basically what we do is we do the opposite function like for each side. So like if the left side is adding, the right side to.
No. For cosine, if you're subtracting the two terms, you're adding. If you're adding, you're subtracting. For sine, if you're adding, you're adding. Okay? If you guys look, I mean, I can write out the formulas all the way. I'm trying to save some time by writing the two formulas in the same thing. It's basically two different formulas written as one.
Okay, no, I see.
Okay? Does that make sense? So therefore, this is the cosine of u times v. Well, the cosine of u times v, that's u, that's v. That's u, that's v. So all I need to do is write this as 94 plus 18. OK? So therefore, that's the cosine of 112. 112 degrees. Done. You're still getting confused on those formulas, Zach?